Have you ever felt trapped in the monotony of your daily routine? Each day blending into the next, filled with frustration and a sense of defeat? Perhaps you've made promises to change, only to find yourself slipping back into old patterns, paralyzed by the comfort of the familiar and the fear of the unknown. But 2025 isn't just another year, it's your chance to transform. This year holds the potential to help you rediscover your strength, your focus, and your sense of purpose. With the wisdom of Stoicism as your guide, you can unlock new ways of thinking and living that empower you to rise above challenges, focus on what truly matters, and build a life worth living. These teachings aren't just theoretical concepts, they're practical strategies drawn from centuries of experience. They can shift not only your mindset, but also the way you live day to day. So take a deep breath and lean in. This is your opportunity to become a stronger, more intentional version of yourself in 2025. The journey ahead won't always be easy, but it will be profoundly rewarding. Are you ready to begin? Let's dive in. 1. Clear the clutter in your mind. Change starts within, and one of the first steps is clearing out the mental clutter that holds you back. We often allow complaints, trivial chatter, or negative thoughts to take up precious mental space, which drains our energy and blurs our clarity. Marcus Aurelius once said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Realize this, and you will find strength. This simple truth is a reminder that your peace of mind is yours to protect. You don't need to let the chaos around you control how you feel. Remember the last time you complained about something? Maybe it was a frustrating workday, a frustrating commute, or someone's inconsiderate behavior. How quickly did those complaints drain your energy and cloud your judgment? Complaints are like invisible chains, trapping you in negativity and preventing you from seeing the bigger picture. The breakthrough is simple. When you feel the urge to complain, choose to remain silent. Not out of weakness, but as an act of strength. In that silence, you make space for clarity, for gratitude, and for new perspectives. Over time, you'll notice that your mind feels lighter, your heart steadier, and your life more vibrant. And this shift will ripple out into your relationships, as others will naturally be drawn to your positivity and calm. 2. Focus on what you can control. We often spend too much energy on things beyond our control, the weather, other people's actions, or the economy. But true peace comes from understanding that the only thing we can control is our own response. Epictetus, another Stoic philosopher, famously said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." How many times have you gotten upset over something you couldn't change? Instead of wasting energy on the uncontrollable, the Stoics encourage us to focus on our own actions, thoughts, and reactions. By doing this, we stop letting external circumstances dictate our emotional state, and we reclaim our power. The next time you feel yourself getting stressed over something beyond your control, take a moment to pause and remind yourself, this is out of my hands. What is in my hands is how I choose to react. Choosing calm and wisdom over anger or frustration is a profound act of strength that can shift the course of your day, and ultimately, your life. 3. Live by your core values. When was the last time you truly thought about what matters most to you? What are your guiding principles? The values that define who you are and what you stand for. Marcus Aurelius advised, "Waste no more time arguing what a good man should be. Be one." To live authentically, you must first understand what you stand for. Reflect on your core values, whether it's kindness, integrity, personal growth, or something else. Once you've identified what truly matters to you, make decisions based on these values, not on fleeting desires or societal pressures. Ask yourself, What do I want to represent in this world? Every decision you make, whether it's how you respond to others, how you do your work, or how you spend your free time, should be a reflection of those core values. By doing so, you will find a sense of purpose and fulfillment that will ground you in even the most challenging times. Start small. In every decision today, ask, does this align with my values? This simple practice will help you build a life that is authentic, purposeful, and true to yourself. 4. Cultivate daily gratitude. In a world that constantly pushes us to strive for more, it's easy to overlook the value of appreciating what we already have. Gratitude is one of the most transformative practices you can adopt, and the Stoics knew this well. Seneca once said, "A grateful mind is a great mind, which eventually attracts to itself great things." Make gratitude a daily habit. At the end of each day, take a moment to reflect on what you're thankful for. This could be as simple as the comfort of your home, the support of loved ones, or the small victories in your day. By focusing on what you have, rather than what's missing, you train your mind to appreciate the abundance already present in your life. Consider starting a gratitude journal. Each evening, write down 3 things you're grateful for. These can be big or small, from a meaningful conversation to the joy of a morning walk. This simple practice will shift your focus from lack to abundance and enhance your overall sense of contentment. 5. Embrace the power of the present moment. How often do you find yourself lost in thoughts about the past or worrying about the future, only to miss the richness of the present moment? The Stoics teach that the present is the only time we truly have, and that embracing it fully can bring us peace and fulfillment. Marcus Aurelius wisely observed, "The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts." When you focus on the present, you open yourself up to life's simple pleasures. Whether it's the warmth of a cup of coffee, a conversation with a friend, or the satisfaction of completing a task. Being present allows you to fully experience what's happening right now. To cultivate presence, make a conscious effort to stay in the moment. Whenever your mind begins to wander, gently bring it back to the here and now. One technique is to focus on your breath for a few moments, helping you center yourself and reconnect with the present. Being present isn't about ignoring the past or future. It's about appreciating the richness of the now. This practice will reduce anxiety, improve your relationships, and help you feel more grounded in everyday life. Conclusion: a new beginning. True reinvention doesn't require drastic changes or a complete overhaul of your life. Instead, it's about committing to small, consistent shifts that align your actions with your deeper values and intentions. Stoicism offers practical tools that can help you navigate challenges, prioritize what matters, and create a life you can be proud of. As you step into 2025, remember that transformation begins within. The Stoic principles I've shared, clearing your mind, focusing on what you can control, living by your values, practicing gratitude, and being present, are not abstract concepts. They are actionable strategies that can help you live a more intentional and fulfilling life. So, what's next?